The details of a lubrication point provide you with a variety of information. You can also control the LoRa-capable lubrication systems directly. The header provides information on the location of the lubrication point. You can switch LoRa lubrication systems on or off using the switch at the top right. The purge function is available for LoRa-compatible lubrication systems. Purge triggers an additional discharge with 3 discharge cycles of 2 cubic centimeters each. Please note that the triggered actions will only be started the next time there is a status update, after the next dispense, or after 60 minutes at the latest. The following information can be viewed on the detail page: the current fill level, the temperature, and the motor current. The history of these values can be also displayed. Additionally, you can find the date of the next exchange. For LoRa-capable lubrication systems, all these values are transmitted by the drive. For non-radio-capable lubrication systems, they are calculated based on the activation date and the discharge period. Under Information, you will find all details on the configuration and the lubricant use. Some of the information can be edited. The history gives you an overview of all previous actions and statuses of the lubrication point. A comment can be added to each action to describe the background of the action. Actions can include changing a lubrication system, troubleshooting, or triggering a purge. Under Note, you can enter notes or comments on the lubrication point. Several images of the lubrication point can be uploaded via Image Upload to visualize the lubrication point in the app. For lubrication systems with radio function, the date and time of the last radio connection with the lubrication system is displayed under Last Connection. Lubrication systems with LoRa function can be deleted from the lubrication point using Delete this system. The configuration is retained and the system can be set up at another lubrication point using the Setup Assistant. The details of a lubrication point are also available in the web application.